So, guys, you're welcome to my life. Um, this is just a testing. I just want to test this life and see how it works. Let me face the light so that I can arrange my bed. All right. Let's go. Damn, this is. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Ah, what's up? This mic no dey talk. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right.
Hello everyone, my name is Jafta Msonta Abia. People call me Msonta like the people in the hospital, but I don't think that matters right now. I like making, no, I mean drawing, sorry, things that I see, like this. I also like drawing my mom and dad and like many other people I see. And I also like drawing my favorite characters like Sonic, Charlie B, also the Lucky Rabbit, and Mario, which I hope most people know, and Sonic as well, because they went to Olympics games to play.
All right. I think the testing is good so far. So this is testing. So you have a lot to learn. The car don't finish, bro. The car don't finish, bro. Yeah. Well done. It's all right. Okay. Okay, do my running. Bye bye. I love you. Hi. More down. More in the comment where I send this from a I don't understand what that means, but